Hello, hello.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
Hello, kids.
Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine.
How are you, students?
You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by.
We are going to learn
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
something with
Ooh,
geometry.
I see you every time. And oh,
So, people, look at this. We are going to learn perimeter and area. What perimeter is? Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. But what is distance? What is around? What is two-dimensional shape? Look at the keywords. Distance, around, and two-dimensional. If we understand that, we can understand perimeter. So we are going to start with distance. What distance is? Is the space between 2 points or objects. For example, the space from home to the school, for example. Oh, that's pretty clever. Robert? Teacher? What are you doing here, Robert? Oh, well, you're speaking about geometry, and geometry has to be with maths. Oh, of course, and you love maths. Yes. That's the reason why. Thank you, Robert. You want to help me? Of course. So, the distance is the space between home to the school. Yes. And can be measured in centimeters or in meters. How is that? For example, from my home to my school, there is 1 meters of distance. Oh, pretty good. But it's different for me. Why is that? Because I live in a different location. And from home to my school, there are 2 kilometers. Oh, that's pretty far away. Yes, I know. But there is another example. From home to the park. Oh, I love parks. I miss it so much. Oh, yes, I know. But don't worry, because the quarantine will be over and you will go to the park. Yay! So, from my home to the park could be, I don't know, I think that 20 meters. Oh, that's pretty close. Yes, I have a park like in every corner here. Oh, that's awesome. Yes, I know. So, the distance is the space between 2 points or objects, like that. And how the distance is measured? Oh, maybe with a ruler. Yes, that's a pretty good idea. You can measure, for example, from 0 to 10 with a ruler, there will be 10 centimeters. But what happens if we go from 0 to 100? Will be 100 centimeters. Oh, that's pretty easy. Yes, I know. And you can use the ruler, for example, to measure the sides of a polygon. Oh. Yes. For example, you can use the ruler for measure one side of a rectangle. This one. 50 centimeters. And if you put the rectangle like this, you will have 20 centimeters. Oh, that's pretty clever. Yes, I know. So look at this. You can measure also with your fingers. How you can measure with the fingers? Devil number, what are you doing here? Well, if you are talking about geometry, I will be here because geometry has to be with maths. Oh, all right, devil number, but be calm, don't worry. Yes, I know. What? I am calm. All right, all right. So, the distance can be measured with a ruler or with a finger. But I think that a ruler is better. What is around? Oh, look at this. Around the world. Around the school. Around a square or a rectangle. And around a triangle. Oh, so around could be, for example, the sides of a triangle. Yeah, pretty cool. So we can continue to the two-dimensional shapes, and we are going to continue in the next video.